Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm making my Accra Bake. Now I posted this on TikTok and Instagram already, the short version, and here is the detailed recipe. I saw this in Hungry Belly's post that he posted to TikTok and Instagram, and I was quite interested in trying this recipe. It's found at Patsy's in Maracas if you want to try it and you're in Trinidad. So we're going to start by adding all of the ingredients that you see on your screen to the flour. I'm using an all-purpose flour here and it's King Arthur. I actually love to use King Arthur flour. So just go ahead and place all of those ingredients into the bowl and then we'll move on with the rest of the instructions. So if you want to follow Hungry Belly, which I suggest you guys do, he's at Hungry Belly 868 and he takes you around Trinidad, showing you different places that you can buy food, different things, new items, and even some of the fets. So once you've added everything in, give it a mix. Now I put in my baking powder, my yeast, after I mixed in those first set of ingredients, but feel free to add it together. Give that a mix, and then we'll add lukewarm water to bring this together to form a soft dough like sada roti or like regular bake. Now this does not puff up like a regular bake, but it does puff up slightly to create a cavity that you can fill with all of your goodies. Now I used this with cheese, but it's being sold with shark, fried fish, shrimp, you name it, you can have it. You can even put some butter on this and just eat it just like that. And once you finish knead this, you want to knead it really well. You don't just want to knead it and stop. You want to knead it and let the gluten form. So after it comes together, knead it for about 5 minutes and then we'll allow it to rest. So I'll spritz with a little bit of oil and then I'll cover it with a damp paper towel and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. It's not really going to double in size because of all of the seasonings that are in there. So I got 6 big size bakes. You can make these medium size and you can get 8 of them. I don't think you should go bigger in size because these were the perfect size. Allow these to rest for about 10 minutes covered and then we'll start opening them out. Now you want to open on a greased surface, and the trick here is to open all of them before you start frying. You don't want to open them too thin. You want them to be like about 1/2 inch in thickness or just below 1/2 inch. So allow these to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before you fry them. And then you fry them on medium heat until they're golden brown. They're going to be crisp on the outside. It's going to smell like if you're frying Accra, but it's absolutely delicious. Flip it over, make sure it's cooked on both sides. It must look nice and golden like this. I'm going to take it out, drain on some paper towels or some parchment paper, and then all you have to do is arrange according to what you would like. Fried shrimp, fried shark, fried fish. As I said, I did a basic bake with cheese. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, I'll leave my handle here so you all can follow me. It's Trini Cooking with Natasha on Instagram and Trini Cooking with Natasha _ on TikTok. Thank you all so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.